It is 2-Minute Tuesday. I've got the whole office to myself. It's gonna be a quick one today, so let's get started. We're going to be installing the OLM carbon fiber ducted inner fender trim today, not because it's a super hard install, but just to kind of help you guys be aware that there are different options out there, whether it's the SubiSpeed, parent, or compressive tuning, or this one. They all look a heck of a lot better than the one that comes on the car, which collects dirt and dust and stains easily, and they just look cheap and flimsy, so we're going to get rid of them. The install process is pretty universal throughout all of them, except Parent uses rivet nuts instead of reusing the plastic pop clips. And then for the OLM one, the mesh comes uninstalled, so you just need to use the included 3M to install it. Super simple process. It's already pre-cut, so you can't really mess it up. Now, also, there are 3 different versions to choose from for the OLM one. There's the regular carbon fiber weave, and then there is a red or blue carbon fiber weave if you want to add a touch of color. Now, that being said, we can head on over to our SCI and I'll show you how to get these installed. Also, before I get into the install, I just want to let you guys know that we are currently running our tax season sale, so you can use the code TS2020 to get 12% off your order. Some exclusions do apply. And we're also doing 5% off wheels with no code necessary. And if you do happen to use that TS2020 code, you can be entered to win a set of these right here, which are the HKS Hypermax SP coilovers. All you have to do is comment your order number in my giveaway video. I will link that up above. The sale ends on the 23rd, so good luck to everybody that enters. We're gonna be working on the passenger side, but the install is gonna be the same for both. There are just 2 pop clips, one in the front and one in the back, that we need to remove with just a small flathead screwdriver. And like I said, we will be reusing these unless you have the parent ones, so just set those aside. Once those are out, we kind of need to just flip this up while slightly pulling forward to get these out. And then we can take the new ones, and then you're gonna stick the end into the fender there, and then do the opposite of what you did. So just turn it back around, and then we can reinstall the clips. If I can find the hole. There we go. Again, same thing on the other side. I'll do it real quick to give you guys a before and after. There you have it. Probably gonna have some of you guys ask if these are functional or not, and it really comes down to if you have vented fenders or not. If you don't, the hot air doesn't have a place to escape, so it's not gonna do much. But if you do have vented fenders, that hot air can escape and help cool down the engine bay. And like I said, it's a really simple install and a great addition, especially if you have other carbon fiber or color matched engine dress up parts. If you are interested, I will leave links down below to all the different fender shrouds we have on our website. I'll also link the giveaway video down below. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. I will leave you guys with some shots of how these look on the car and the compressive tuning ones we have on our WRX. I'll see you guys next time.